Kimberlee and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on all things lifestyle on a budget, and today I'm super excited because I'm bringing you a video all about Rent the Runway. But first, can we talk about my couch? I finally got a couch and I absolutely love it. You can check out that video. I recently posted it. I'm just so happy to actually finally have a new space to be filming in. Whoa. Also, I finally found the perfect nude for my nails. Guys, can you even... like, they're perfect. I got this gel nail set from Glam. They are based in New York City. It's cruelty-free, it's vegan, it's got none of the nasties in it. The kit that was sent to me was so easy to use, and it came with this travel size LED lamp, which is awesome. It's so cute, and I literally feel like I could travel anywhere with it, which is great. And then the colors that I got, I just can't believe it. I've never found a nude that was so spot on. If you guys have been in my channel, you know I was using dip powders for a while, and dip powders are great. I love them, but it's a lot of steps back and forth. Gel nails are just a little bit easier, so I was really excited to use this and try it out because I do have a wedding this week. Spoiler alert, the point of the whole Rent the Runway video is that I'm not sure what I'm wearing just yet, and so I wanted to go with a color that could fit anything because my outfit might be blue and it might also be like a black color or a pink color. So this is the perfect color. This is the shade XOXO. I also got Ballerina, which is really nice, and I got a dark color called Coffee Time, which I cannot wait to use. I also did my toes. So one more thing that's really awesome about this is that I was able to set my toes under here because it can just prop up. I thank Madam Glam for sending to me, and if you guys are interested in a really easy, awesome, affordable kit, I'll have a discount code down below for 30% off. You guys know I always love to bring you guys a discount. So maybe you're not comfortable going to the salons just yet. You can do this all yourself and it's gonna come out really cute. So I just wanted to mention that because I've never found a nude that was so perfect. I love it. Okay, so Rent the Runway, what do we know? What do we know about it? Honestly, I was at a bachelorette party and my friends were raving about Rent the Runway, and I was like, oh yeah, I've heard of them. You like have clothes for a couple days. It's probably like really expensive and you wear fancy stuff, and it probably has a really high membership. So that seems like pretty cool. And they were like, no. I was like, please do tell because your outfit looks amazing and I love it. Does anybody else have a lot of events and they do feel comfortable going to it, but you're like, it's the first time I'm gonna see a bunch of people in a really long time. I kind of want to look, you know, cute, put together. It's been a really tough year type vibe. So I decided to reach out to Rent the Runway because I wanted to see if they would collaborate, and I'm so glad that they decided to because I want to show you guys from my perspective what it's like to use Rent the Runway 1 month subscription of getting 8 outfits. So I have 8 outfits that are going to be coming this month for the various things I'm going to be doing. Let me just break down Rent the Runway a little bit for people that may not know about it. It's a website that has thousands and thousands of styles of clothing. It's not just fancy dresses, it's down to accessories, shoes, cute tops, cute bottoms. There is designer as well. And it's not just borrowing things for a couple days and giving them back. You can do that, but they also have these memberships so that for the entire month, you can rent a set of clothes and have them for that bit. And then if you really love it, you could also keep it and purchase it off of them. Fast forward to today. Today is Sunday. I have a wedding on Friday. Do I have an outfit? Possibly. My first set of 4, because you get them in lots of 4, is going to be 2 dresses as backups for the outfit that I currently have. I got a skirt and I got a pair of jeans. First half of the month, I'm gonna be exploring these outfits, and then once I'm done with them, I'll send them back so that I can get the next set of 4. The way that I decided to design my first box of clothes was to go for the 2 dresses that I have as backups for the wedding that I have coming up, but then also I kind of wanted to go with something a little bit edgy in my sense, so I got this animal print skirt, and then I also got these cool jeans. The thing that's really cool about Rent the Runway is that it's just kind of like if you want to explore something different, but you're like, I don't want to necessarily buy these things and have them and then they're just stuck with me, you can try out a whole new set of clothes. Say you get a new job, you can have a whole set of clothes to kind of get yourself started before diving into buying a whole wardrobe of just suits. Or maybe you go from a suit job to a more casual job and you're like, I don't have any casual clothes and I don't have the money yet from work to do that. Let me do a membership instead, which is definitely going to save me money, and then I can try out these new clothes to see if I really like them. I made my first order on Saturday and it was for Monday. Today is Sunday, so 2 days, and it should be arriving tomorrow. I think that's great. Now let's see if it does, because another little honesty check. When I went on their Instagram, so many of their comments are people talking about how shipments weren't arriving in time. I'm curious to inspect the clothes. Will I know that someone's worn them or not? I don't think the company would be as successful as it is if you could tell. Like, that just doesn't make sense. But I'm curious, you know me, I like to dive deep. So I'm gonna check back in tomorrow and we shall see what they look like. So I've kind of been waiting for my Rent the Runway package. I got a text around like 5 something saying it was being delivered, like it was on its way, but I can't like track it. Every time I try to track it, it seems like the website is just a little bit behind. But I got a text message, so I got really excited and put makeup on and did my hair. And now I'm sitting here and it's like 7 o'clock and I'm like, okay, it might actually not come in time because I have things to do. I need to actually wash my hair and all that. Might have to wait till later in the week, so. Literally 8:15 and my Rent the Runway finally just came, but I was clearly in the shower, so on to bigger and better things, gotta do my hair, all that. So it is a nice sleek package. It did come and it did make it by 10 p.m., which is the cutoff that they said. So, you know, they were right on time with that. Okay, so here is the first look. This is a romper. It's actually really, really, really cute. So this is a size small. I'm usually a size small, 34, 25, 36. There is some space here, but I actually like that room so that it's, you know, breathable. And I love that the shorts are at a nice, acceptable, whoop. I love that the shorts are at an acceptable length. I did wear this to a wedding, you know, bop, bop, bop. We want to see like how low we can go. And also when I'm sitting, I want to like not have my bare butt on the chair basically. The detail up close, this is what the top looks like right here. I have my bra straps on. I probably wouldn't wear that. A nice little cleavage in here. And then here is the back so you can see. Very, very, very cute. So for small, I feel like there's definitely some room for people that are in between sizes to even size down to a small. Here's how high I can raise my hand so I can still kind of do stuff. If you have more broad shoulders, that might be tricky. I only noticed like one little tiny minuscule like snag in the back just because I have like eagle eyes when it comes to that. That's probably also something that I would see in store, so it's just very minute, but nothing else shows me like, you know, crazy flaws or anything like that. If you wanted to just add sneakers, you could dress this down like drastically. I went with a nude heel and I really, really like it like that. Spoiler alert, it's probably gonna rain on Friday, so it's definitely affecting what I would wear to the wedding, but this would totally be something that I would wear. I don't know what to say. As soon as I saw this in person, just being straight up, I was like, heck to the no. This is not the life I want to lead. This is very, that like very, very ritzy, maybe stuffy, but I'm sure some of them are very nice type vibe. That's just how I feel, you know, don't take offense if you're like, I love that. Like, love it. I probably will love it on you, but this just is, whoa, like giving me a lot. I'm gonna step closer so you guys can see the detail up close. When I bend over, like the world is gonna see some things. It's a thick material though, so this is great for a cool day. If I wanted to wear this to that wedding, I don't know if this is like too close to white, but this would be good for that vibe of people. This is like a Montauk, this is a Hamptons. It's not me, that's what I'll say. So I went out on a limb, that was the point of this. Okay, so these pants are a look. L-E-W-K. These are a look. Let me like back it up for you all the way up here. They're such a look. I love these a lot and I like can't wait to wear them. You're probably like, why are you in heels so much? Do you wear heels all the time? The answer is no. I just felt like it looks really cute with this. I'm gonna show you the detail up close. So here's what the waist looks like. Thank you to the reviews because they said to size down and that's what I did. So this is a 25R. I don't normally ever wear a 25, even though my waist is 25, but obviously my hips are bigger. But I love this. Doesn't have any pockets, like these are fake obviously, but it's cute, gives a little shape to the butt, and then I love how this tie is. I love that they're loose, so it's not like a tight jean. I think that's a nice change up. I will wear the boop out of these, so I cannot wait. I do wish they had pockets, but doesn't everyone wish that everything had pockets? I wanted something that would be a little bit edgy, and I think that I got that with this. Last one, here's how I feel like I need to be on my toes to be in frame, but this is a skirt that's actually from Madewell. Super light, perfect for the summer. I love the slit on the side, and it hits at a really good length, so you could style it with sneakers or you could dress it up with heels. I'm finally in some sneakers, which is my normal go-to anyway. The skirt is kind of loose, and the drawstring doesn't really do anything. I'll show you, because when you start to tie it, it just starts to like bunch on itself. So it's not gonna fall down, but it's just kind of incomplete feeling. But I love the look of it. It's pretty thin though, so I wanna be kind of a little bit extra careful with it. But overall, I think that this is really, really, really cute. That's it. That's the first set. I'm pretty happy with almost everything except for that red and white dress. I just think that that was just not gonna work for me. In the next video, I'll have some footage of me like in action, wearing the clothes, all that, and then the second swap that I have coming. So the second set of clothes for the rest of the month. So I'm really excited to start using this. I feel like the more casual stuff I can wear right away. I mean, I could probably wear this to the bridal shower. Let me know, do you guys feel like black is like too dark? It could be, I don't know. It's a day event. If I had a white sandal, it could brighten that up. All right, so comment down below, what outfits did you guys like from this pick? Have you used Rent the Runway before? What are your thoughts on it? How do you feel? I can't wait to continue this journey and share with you guys the next set of clothes, as well as when I ended up wearing this, what I thought in the moment, what's the longevity of wearing these outfits for a couple hours, etc. How does it fare versus just trying it on? So this was just my first impressions and unboxing my first set. As always, if you have any questions, let's have a conversation in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.